po, tatlong apo from Summerville. Thank you.
Thank you po, candidate number 1. And then, let's have candidate number 2.
I have 5 grandchildren.
Thank you po. And next po natin, candidate number 3.
I am Normal Galvez Lim. 8 ang ako. 8 na.
Thank you po. Next po, candidate number 4.
They called me Ning. I have 2 grandchildren at the age of 60.
Thank you po. And next po natin, last but not the least, our candidate number 5.
I'm Rosalinda Salazar from Bristol Place, and I have 5 grandchildren. Thank you so much.
Thank you po sa atin po mga candidate.